Oh. Sometimes you want to swear to express your frustration or annoyance. Today let's look at one phrase which has variations so you can make it more or less strong depending on how annoyed you feel. The phrase for today is chết rồi. Chết means dead. Chết rồi. Chết rồi. To make it sound a bit stronger, you can insert the word for father. Cha. Chết cha rồi. Chết cha rồi. This is a bit stronger, but it's not really offensive. Even my 2-year-old says it.
Chết cha rồi.
To make this stronger still, you can replace the word for father with the word for grandmother. Bà. Chết bà rồi. Chết bà rồi. Now, this is stronger and it starts getting offensive, so I wouldn't want my 2-year-old to say it. And you probably shouldn't say it in front of everyone. Finally, the most offensive version of this phrase uses the term for mother. Mẹ. Chết mẹ rồi. Chết mẹ rồi.
Chết mẹ rồi, chết mẹ rồi, chết mẹ rồi.
This is very offensive. You probably shouldn't say it. But if you hear it, you would know the person who is saying it either is a very offensive person or they're really upset. To help you remember how offensive the terms are depends on who's being referenced. Chết rồi references no one, so it's not offensive at all. The most offensive one references mother. Obviously, mother is people's most sacred, most respected relative. The second most offensive references grandmother, bà, because she's also a woman, she's an older woman, and in a traditional Vietnamese society, she's very close to you growing up. The least offensive term involves father because, well, he should be respected, but he can kind of take care of himself, so we won't worry too much about him. Okay, that's it for today and I'll see you next time. Hẹn gặp lại các bạn lần sau.